Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I think we will start with the fastest way to get to the eye comfort option just by using a shortcut, and then I'll show you how to customize it and how to get to this option through the settings, so you will be able to personalize it just like you want. So first of all, we have to unroll the bar, the section with the icons, the shortcuts. So in my case I've got gestures, so let me just swipe my finger in the left corner and do it up. And here we've got the eye protection, so simply tap on it. And of course we will have the tips, okay? And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, has this yellow tint, and it is in order to basically filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on this icon. And basically you can tap on it and hold it, and you should be transferred to the section where you can customize it. However, I like to show you a full path of how to get into the eye comfort mode. So first of all, we have to open the settings, and then let's find the display and brightness. Here we've got the eye protection, so simply tap on it, and before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So just tap on this switcher, and here you can clearly see the changes of the colors. Let's take a look at this switcher. We can change the intensity of that feature thanks to it. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler. It is almost invisible, I would say. And by going to the not like that to the right, we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish. Of course, you can set it just like you want to. Which option is the most comfortable for you, just use it. And here you can also make this option automatic, kind of. So your device can decide when to turn on the eye protection based on the sunrises and the sunsets, or you can schedule it, so you can simply pick the start and the end time. It's up to you. Yeah. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to use and customize the eye comfort mode in this Vivo device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.